All right, welcome to techteatips. And Karen, I'm going to introduce Karen to Canva AI codes, and she's going to make an app right now. And in the process, I'm going to share with you a super secret ninja hack. It's a mistake that I made that I don't want you to have to make. So here we go. All right, Karen is sharing her screen,
Yes,
and you went to Canva, and you're going
yes.
to click on that Canva AI. It's just under the T in today.
Okay. I have clicked on it, so it might take a moment.
It's okay. Here, something's happening.
You're right. Okay.
All right, now under that chat window, you see design for me, create an image, draft a doc, or ding, 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 code for me.
Ding,
Yep.
ding, ding. That's awesome. Oh,
And what you see at the bottom are just some, you could call them code, they're app templates, you could call them, but they're things you could do. So, how about now you had color. I don't know what a color accessibility simulator is.
that's for when I'm assuming that so when people who have a hard time deciphering colors with colors too similar, they're not going to be able to see one or the other. Where do you see that though? Color sensibility thing.
You have some tiles at the bottom
Mm-hmm.
and the next to the last tile,
Color
that one.
sensibility.
So click on that. I'm not saying you have to code it, but see, as soon as you click on one of those tiles, you start with a prompt.
Different, yeah, vision and different vision impairments. So they have those sometimes they won't be able to see
Right.
that. Okay.
Okay. So how about let's make the digital birthday card. How about that?
Digital
That's on the
birthday.
top row, second from the right.
Okay.
Because guess what? It doesn't have to be a birthday card.
Okay. Let's do actually a interactive historical timeline.
Ooh, getting fancy.
Let's do that. Because I'm thinking we could probably do that like a family timeline. You know, you could put your family folks in there.
So what does the prompt say?
Okay, create an interactive historical timeline component that engages students. Start with example ancient civilization timeline featuring Egypt, Greek, and Roman key events with extendable information cards and a cohesive visual style. Let me ask you this: once you've done this app, you can come back and redo it or upgrade
Yeah,
it.
it's iterative.
Right. Okay. Okay. Cool. As a follow-up, ask me about specific historical events, period to include student age group, theme focus, cultural specific, political.
So
Okay, yeah, that's
just click on the birthday one for a sec. Just I want to
yeah.
show you something that I know. And then
This one's a little bit more in depth.
well, yeah, I mean, yeah,
Let's
you
go
need
to
to.
the birthday one. Okay.
All right.
See,
Now see it says create a birthday card for, is it Ellen or something? Yeah, Emma.
Emma. Start an example birthday card for Emma featuring confetti animations, soft blue and pink gradient background, and interactive elements that trigger when clicked. As a follow-up, ask me about recipient name. Okay, and
Now,
celebration.
if you click that, it will make a birthday card for Emma.
Okay,
But then it will ask you, okay, who do you want this card for? What is the event? What message do you want it to say? But here's what I did when I did Sarita's. I switched out Emma's name. I didn't go through that second iteration. I just put everything I wanted in the first prompt.
Right. Okay. Let's do that.
So it was not an example card, it was just the card I wanted.
Soft purple. Purple. Interactive illustration. Okay. As a follow up, name, celebration type. Oh, message to display animation style.
So the message is short, like you are awesome, or you know,
Right.
to the
Now
moon
I'm
and
gonna put
back.
this one here though, right? Or do I have to wait till it asks me?
No, you can put it here.
Okay.
It's just a prompt, but it's designed for people that don't know how to prompt.
Okay. Okay. I'm gonna start with an example birthday card for featuring yourself draw and check elements.
But here's
Trigger.
a hack.
Uh-huh.
Say, please use emojis instead of icons.
Okay.
It does, it gives you some weird icons.
Oh really? Emojis. Icons. Um uh,
And the,
emojis. I'm gonna put she likes these. That's what I like. Stars. Stars. Decay. Cake. Ice cream. Instead of icons. Okay.
and
Oh, I forgot one more. Big cake. One more. Unicorns. Okay. All right.
now, do you know what the message will be?
Yes.
All right. So message equals or message colon the messages.
Okay. Message. Uh,
Now, wait a minute. I don't want you to waste the message because, well, maybe you'll say it twice. Let me see. Let me look at Sarita's.
spelled awesome wrong.
Give me one sec
Card featuring.
while I. Okay, you're good.
Okay.
So, and I've done like three of these cards, and each one is different. So
Okay. Okay.
we'll
Um,
see.
with modern animations. Start with example. Look at featuring animations, a background in
So take out the word example.
where?
Start with an example birthday card.
Oh,
You don't really need to do that, but
what does it say? Create, generate,
yeah.
create a animation. Okay. Um.
All right.
Okay.
Roll it.
Now, where does this get stored? This just gets stored in just like your regular Canva
Yeah,
designs.
it'll be right there. No, it's not in your designs. It's only, you have to go all the way to Canva codes and then
Okay.
you'll see. Um, but
And you
what
could
do you
change
do while
these.
you code? I paint my fingernails. What do you do while you code?
All right. And you could change the code too in
No,
here.
you
You
cannot.
can. Oh,
As soon as it makes the widget, the code disappears. All you can do is chat with it and say, please change the colors to hex code, blah, blah, blah.
oh, that's cool.
Now, what I don't know, and I haven't tried this, is if you can say, please use my Canva brand colors, because
Right.
my brand kit.
Man, this gives me the heebie-jeebies. When I was learning HTML, all them dots and semicolons and commas and things. Ooh, all right. Oh, okay. All right.
All right, now you're going to use it in a design. So it's not, you can't tell what it's doing right now,
Okay.
but
Use
can
it
you
in a
put that,
design.
yeah, use it in a design, and we're going to make a website. Now this will show in your designs.
Okay. Now, how would I get back to
Uh,
that?
like I said, you have to go back to Canva AI, Canva codes,
Okay.
or code for me, and then I'll show you where it is.
Okay.
That's an
Okay.
outstanding
So this is
question
the
that I would
steps.
not have let go unanswered. Now, if you had clicked the example digital card and not
Uh huh.
changed the name, see how the meta title was digital birthday card for Kayla? It would have said Emma up there, and you can't change
Right.
anything.
Right. Now add sections.
Yeah, I don't know what that means,
Okay.
but I tried adding a page and it did not work out. So it
Okay.
blocked everything.
Use sections to organize your content. Hmm. What that's all about. Okay. So this is cool. I wonder if you can you
Hit
duplicate
next.
it? Hit
Okay.
next.
Oh, you did. You got to get out of that sections thing.
Oh, it went down.
Okay. Don't, or, yeah, don't add anything. Just let's publish it. On the top
Publish
right
it.
corner,
Okay.
publish
Since
website.
let me trash this one since I had duplicated it. Okay. Publish website.
Now
This is where I
remember,
get my.
this is your chance. This is your only chance to make your domain name in Canva.
Let's see if it's available. What? It's available? Oh my
Click it.
gosh. For real. Well, make sure I spell my name right.
Yeah,
It's
really.
available? It's never available. Hardly ever available. Oh gosh. Your website is now live.
Nothing like a little gamification, is there?
Right. All right. Let's see how it looks. Come on, come on, come on. I was
So you
working
made
on
an app
something
in
that had
less
all
than
these.
50, you made an app in less than 15 minutes. And that's
And
with
that's with
all the,
a lot of questions.
yes. And
That's with a
the,
lot of questions. Yes. Oh, that's cute. So next time I know when I'm doing something like this, I could put where I want my icons and how far I want them to. One thing about when you're dealing with AI is to be very specific. Very specific.
right. Now this, I think this will look different. I mean, I know it will look different on mobile. And it's all, I would say, I get the feeling that it's mobile first. So,
Let's see. How would be mobile?
but look at the URL. The URL is karenallen.mycanvasites or mycanvasite.com.
Yeah.
My.canva.site. So all of your future creations are going to be slash something.
Uh huh.
So it'll let you change the slug in the future. It won't let you change the domain. So you have done well to get your own domain. I don't know
I'm
what you're
trying to
doing
see how
now.
it will look. How it will look on mobile. There is a way to do that. I probably clicked the wrong one,
You
but
put it in
there's
your
a
phone.
yeah. That is one way to do it. But it should be a one way to do it on here too.
Inspect.
Inspect.
Yeah, I don't know.
So
Canva does not want you changing their stuff. But I know you just want to
oh
look
yeah.
at it. But
Yes, I wanted to
Canva's
see
like,
how it was
don't.
going to look. I mean, not change it, but how it look on
I know,
mobile. The way to
I know.
do that on. But oh well. Cool. Karen Allen at my.canva.site. Thank you.
Okay, now go back to Canva Home, and I'll show you how to find your
Okay.
AI project.
All right, I'm back at home.
Okay, click on Canva AI. Oh, it looks
Canva
like you're at
AI.
Canva AI. Yeah, click on it again. You were there, but now you clicked out of it. So click back in.
There it is. Their digital birthday card. Oh, but that's if I want to read to just see
Now
it.
click
Oh,
on
this is the
Code for
Canva
Me,
AI. Okay.
and you'll find your old projects on the left. Click the hamburger menu at the top left. Ta-da!
Oh, okay.
And if you click on that,
So it's like a regular Chat GPT again.
now you see that button that says version one? Right.
Uh huh.
That will show you what you just worked on. Now, if you
Oh,
change anything, if you talk to it and say, I'd really like to get that cake out of there, or I want the confetti to something, something, or whatever,
right.
then it'll say, okay, I'll change that for you, and it will give you version two. And it'll say, how do you like it? How do you like the color? How do you like the layout? How do you like what I did?
Right. Right. Okay.
Now, what I did today, because I got Dr. Lee Singletary, you know, so the first project I did was Dr. Lee Singletary dot my dot canva dot site. I deleted that project. I redid the same project with a slug because I wanted the slug to say Sarita 2025.
Okay.
That's all. But that's me.
Okay.
You don't need to do that.
That is cool. Yeah, I need
But
to start clicking more buttons. More
yeah,
buttons.
you built an app. Now I don't know the difference between an app and a widget, but whatever it is, you built it. So thank you, Canva.
Right. Thank you. Nice. I'm gonna play with it some more a little later on.
Yeah.
A
So
little later.
that was Karen Allen's introduction to the two ninja tips. I guess there were three. Number one, when it gives you the example to begin with, you can just change it to be your project. Number two,
Right.
keep talking to that thing until you get it the way you like it. Number three, but this is the big one. The first time you make a website or an app in Canva, you're stuck with that domain name. So choose your first domain name with
Right.
caution,
You're
with
right.
long think think way down the road for that first domain name. So it should be your name. I That's my opinion. Make it your name because that's always
Yeah,
going to be
that's
with
not
you.
gonna change much.
But if you make the mistake that I did, what you can do is open a second Canva account with a different email address and do it right that time. So I have an account where that's the account where I'm making all my apps because that's my Dr. Lisa Singletary
That's your
account.
account.
Yeah.
Okay. I like
All
that.
right.
I like that. Sounds good.
That's our tech
Awesome. Well,
tea
thank you,
tip
Dr.
for
Lisa.
today.
Techteatips. What a day. Thank you so much. It's just like more and more to play with, man. More and more to play with.
Yep. All righty. Bye
It
bye.
really is.